Imagine a kitchen that's not just a place to cook, but a space that feels calm, organized, and stylish. A kitchen where everything has its place, and the clutter is gone. In 2025, minimalist kitchen designs are all about clean lines, simplicity, and elegance. These kitchens create an atmosphere that invites peace and functionality into your home. Let's dive into the latest trends for the year, where the philosophy of less is more shapes the perfect cooking and living space. Today, we're going to explore 100 stunning minimalist kitchen designs that highlight sleek styles, smart storage solutions, and a calm, serene atmosphere. Whether you're renovating your kitchen or just dreaming of a cleaner, more organized space, these designs will inspire you. From smart storage to the latest appliances, we'll show you how minimalist kitchens can make your home feel more modern, organized, and peaceful. Ready to see how less really can be more? Let's get started. What is minimalism in kitchen design? Simple definition of minimalism. Minimalism at its core is about stripping things down to their essentials. It's about embracing simplicity, removing the clutter, and focusing only on what's necessary to make the space functional. Minimalism in kitchen design works the same way. Every element is carefully considered, and nothing is included without purpose. The result is a kitchen that feels open, calm, and easy to use. Instead of busy patterns or heavy decorations, minimalist kitchens focus on clean, uncluttered spaces where you can truly enjoy the process of cooking and living. Core principles of minimalist kitchens. 1. Clean lines. One of the first things you'll notice in minimalist kitchens is the focus on clean, straight lines. This means there are no intricate moldings, ornate details, or unnecessary decorations. Surfaces are smooth and unbroken, creating a sense of order and calm. Whether it's a sleek countertop or cabinets with unadorned edges, the absence of visual clutter allows the space to feel open and serene. It's about creating an organized and balanced look that is both functional and beautiful. 2. Neutral colors. The color scheme is another important feature of minimalist kitchens. Minimalist kitchens tend to use neutral tones like whites, grays, and blacks, along with natural materials like wood, stone, or concrete. These colors are not only visually calming but also timeless. They create a space that is modern, yet can withstand the test of time without looking dated. Neutral shades are versatile and help to highlight other design elements, such as texture or architectural details, without overwhelming the space. This allows for an effortless and understated elegance. 3. Functionality first. Minimalism in kitchen design isn't just about looks, it's about functionality. Each item, from the cabinetry to the appliances, is chosen for its purpose. There's no room for anything that doesn't serve a practical function. This means kitchens are often designed with clever storage solutions, such as pull-out drawers, hidden compartments, and integrated appliances. By keeping only what's necessary and organizing everything in a functional way, the kitchen becomes much easier to use and maintain. 4. Decluttered spaces. One of the most noticeable aspects of minimalist kitchens is the lack of clutter. In these spaces, everything has its place, and nothing is left out on countertops unless it's being actively used. Items that are not needed or don't add to the functionality of the kitchen are hidden away in cabinets or drawers. The idea is to create a visually peaceful space that isn't overwhelmed with accessories, gadgets, or unnecessary decoration. By keeping the space free of clutter, you can focus on cooking, eating, and enjoying the space without distractions. Key design elements in minimalist kitchens. 1. Cabinets and storage. Cabinets are one of the most important features in minimalist kitchens. To achieve that sleek, clean look for designs that have no visible handles or hardware. Push-to-open cabinets are a great option since they open with a simple push, maintaining the streamlined, modern feel. Hidden storage solutions, such as pull-out drawers or cabinets with concealed compartments, help keep everything out of sight, allowing you to store your kitchen essentials while keeping the countertops clear. 2. Countertops. When it comes to countertops in minimalist kitchens, the key is smooth, clean surfaces. Materials like marble, quartz, and solid wood are popular choices for 2025. These materials not only provide an elegant, timeless feel but also add texture and warmth to the space without overpowering the design. The goal is to keep the countertop as clutter-free as possible, so the clean, polished surface can shine. 3. Color palette. Neutral and muted tones continue to dominate minimalist kitchens in 2025. Soft whites, light grays, and even gentle blues or greens are perfect choices. These colors create a peaceful and calming atmosphere, helping your kitchen feel open and airy. Whether it's your walls, cabinets, or countertops, the muted tones will maintain the simple elegance that minimalist design is known for. 4. Lighting. Lighting plays a huge role in any minimalist kitchen. It's not just about illuminating the space, it's about creating ambience. Simple, sleek pendant lights can add a modern touch, while under-cabinet lighting makes the space feel bright and open. Natural light is key, so try to maximize window space or add glass elements that allow light to flow freely into the kitchen. With the right lighting, your minimalist kitchen will feel light, airy, and welcoming. 5. Appliances. In minimalist kitchens, integrated appliances are essential. Think built-in refrigerators, dishwashers, and ovens that blend seamlessly into the cabinetry. These appliances are designed to be as unobtrusive as possible, helping maintain a clean, uniform look throughout the kitchen. By hiding these appliances behind the same cabinetry as the rest of the kitchen, you create a streamlined, clutter-free environment that perfectly complements minimalist design. 2025 Trends in Minimalist Kitchens. 1. Sustainable and eco-friendly materials. As sustainability continues to gain importance in 2025, more and more people are choosing eco-friendly materials for their kitchens. Recycled countertops made from glass or concrete, bamboo cabinetry, and energy-efficient appliances are just a few examples of how you can make your kitchen both stylish and sustainable. These materials not only help reduce waste but also give your kitchen a fresh, modern look. In minimalist design, less waste means less clutter, and this eco-friendly approach is definitely a trend worth embracing. 2. Open shelving. Although minimalist designs often prioritize hidden storage, open shelving is still making a bold statement in 2025. The key to pulling off open shelving in a minimalist kitchen is organization. Instead of cluttering shelves with random items, minimalist kitchens focus on displaying only a few carefully chosen items like a few decorative plants, designer cookware, or beautiful kitchen essentials. This approach adds a touch of personality to the space without sacrificing the clean, organized look that minimalist kitchens are known for. 3. Smart kitchens. Technology is a huge part of modern kitchen design, and in 2025, smart kitchens are on the rise. These kitchens integrate appliances that are connected to your home network. For example, you can have smart refrigerators that notify you when you're running low on ingredients, voice-controlled lighting that adjusts with your needs, or ovens that can be preheated remotely. These smart features not only make your kitchen more convenient, but they also maintain the sleek, modern aesthetic that minimalism is all about. Everything is designed to be functional and efficient. 4. Minimalist island designs. Islands have been a staple in modern kitchens for years, and they're not going anywhere in 2025. However, minimalist kitchens are bringing a new twist to the island concept. In 2025, kitchen islands are all about clean lines and simplicity, no extra decoration or clutter. Many islands now feature built-in storage or even appliances like wine coolers or hidden charging stations, making them both beautiful and practical. These minimalist islands not only serve as a central workspace but also as an elegant focal point in the kitchen. 5. Textures over color. Instead of bold, bright colors, 2025's minimalist kitchens are focusing more on textures to bring depth and character to the space. Matte finishes, natural wood grains, and stone materials are becoming popular choices for countertops, backsplashes, and even cabinets. These textures add a rich, layered look to the kitchen without overwhelming the design. The goal is to create a balanced and calm environment, where textures play a key role in making the space feel warm and inviting while keeping things simple and understated. Inspiration. Top 5 kitchen designs for 2025. Design 1. The White Minimalist Kitchen. Let's start with the ultimate minimalist classic, the all-white kitchen. This design features sleek, white cabinetry, a stunning marble countertop, and polished chrome finishes for that touch of shine. The result is a kitchen that feels open, bright, and airy. The white color palette not only makes the space feel larger but also creates a fresh, clean look that's timeless. Whether it's a small kitchen or a spacious one, this design will never go out of style and is perfect for anyone who wants a serene, simple atmosphere. Design 2: Natural wood and white contrast. Another stunning design for 2025 combines the warmth of natural wood with the crispness of white. Imagine cabinets or shelving made of natural wood, paired with a white background. This contrast brings texture and depth to the space, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere while maintaining the minimalist aesthetic. The wood adds an organic touch that softens the clean, sleek lines of the kitchen, making it feel both modern and cozy. This design is ideal for those who want a minimalist look but still crave a little warmth and character. Design 3: The dark minimalist kitchen. For those who prefer a more dramatic look, the dark minimalist kitchen is a fantastic option. In this design, dark cabinetry, think deep charcoal or navy, pairs with matte black countertops and stainless steel appliances to create a sleek, modern vibe. The contrast of dark tones can add sophistication and elegance to your kitchen, making it feel stylish and cutting-edge. It's the perfect choice if you want a bold, contemporary look without compromising the minimalist principles of clean lines and simplicity. Design 4: Floating shelves and glass elements. Floating shelves are a great way to add functionality and style to a minimalist kitchen. These shelves give the space a lighter, more open feel, allowing you to store only a few key items like plants or decorative pieces. Adding glass elements like a glass backsplash or open glass storage enhances the airy, transparent feel. These features keep the space feeling light and open, while still allowing you to show off some personality. If you love the idea of a clutter-free kitchen but still want to display a few of your favorite things, this design is a beautiful choice. Design 5: The smart, functional kitchen. Finally, the smart, functional kitchen takes minimalism to the next level with the integration of technology. This design incorporates hidden, built-in appliances, like an invisible range hood, built-in refrigerators, and touchless faucets. There are even smart panels that control lighting and temperature, making everything easily adjustable with just a touch or voice command. Not only does this design keep things neat and streamlined, but it also adds a futuristic, tech-savvy edge to the minimalist look. If you're someone who loves efficiency and modern conveniences, this design will blend seamlessly into your lifestyle. These 5 designs give you a range of ideas, from classic and light to dramatic and tech-forward, all while staying true to minimalist principles. Whether you're drawn to the purity of an all-white kitchen or the warmth of natural wood, there's a design that will perfectly fit your 2025 vision. Benefits of a minimalist kitchen: calm and relaxed atmosphere. A minimalist kitchen is designed to create a calm, peaceful environment. By removing clutter and unnecessary distractions, you're left with a space that feels less chaotic and more serene. With fewer items around, your kitchen becomes a place where you can truly relax, focus, and enjoy the cooking process. The simplicity of the design helps reduce stress, making it the perfect space to unwind after a busy day. Increased functionality. One of the best things about minimalist kitchens is how functional they are. When you focus only on what's necessary, your kitchen becomes more organized and efficient. Every item has its designated place, and because there's less stuff cluttering up the space, cleaning becomes much easier. You won't waste time searching for things or moving items around. Everything in the kitchen is there for a reason, making your space as practical as it is beautiful. Timeless style. Minimalism is all about timeless design. The clean lines, neutral colors, and sleek finishes never go out of style. Whether you're in the kitchen cooking or entertaining guests, your space will always look modern and fresh. Unlike trendy designs that might lose their charm over time, minimalist kitchens remain elegant and sophisticated for years. This ensures that your kitchen looks stylish today, tomorrow, and long into the future. Tips for achieving a minimalist kitchen on a budget. 1. Declutter first. One of the quickest ways to make your kitchen feel more minimalist is by decluttering. Start by removing items that you don't use regularly, extra kitchen gadgets, outdated appliances, or items taking up space on the countertops. When you remove the excess, your kitchen will immediately feel more open and organized, giving it that clean, minimalist vibe without having to spend any money. 2. DIY projects. You don't have to replace your entire kitchen to get the minimalist look. Simple DIY projects can make a huge difference without breaking the bank. Try repainting your cabinets in a neutral tone, adding open shelving for a modern touch, or swapping out old, bulky appliances for sleeker, more efficient models. These changes are budget-friendly and can instantly update the space while staying true to minimalist principles. 3. Focus on lighting. Lighting is one of the easiest ways to enhance any kitchen, and it doesn't have to cost a lot. Invest in simple pendant lights above your kitchen island or install under-cabinet lighting to brighten up the workspace. Proper lighting can transform the look and feel of your kitchen, making it feel airy and inviting without needing a full remodel. Good lighting is a quick, affordable way to bring a minimalist design to life. Minimalist kitchens are more than just a design trend. They create an environment where you can truly enjoy the art of cooking and spending time with family and friends. A minimalist kitchen goes beyond aesthetics. It transforms the way you experience the space. The simplicity of the design helps reduce stress, making cooking and cleaning easier while enhancing your overall quality of life. With fewer distractions and clutter, a minimalist kitchen becomes a calm, organized sanctuary in the heart of your home. Whether you're looking to update your current kitchen or completely redesign it in 2025, the principles of minimalism, clean lines, functional design, and a serene atmosphere offer a timeless foundation for creating a beautiful and practical space. Every year, the minimalist design approach evolves, but the core idea remains the same: less is more. And in 2025, it's about embracing clean, sleek, and purposeful spaces that enhance both the functionality and beauty of your home. Minimalist kitchens are not just for those who want a trendy look. They're for anyone who wants a space that fosters a sense of peace and productivity. By focusing on what truly matters, function, form, and quality, you can create a kitchen that not only meets your needs but inspires you every time you step into it. What design inspired you the most? Was it the clean elegance of the all-white kitchen, the warmth of natural wood accents, or the sleek sophistication of the dark minimalist kitchen? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're feeling inspired to take on your own minimalist kitchen project, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more design tips and ideas. I'd love to continue helping you create the kitchen of your dreams. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see how you bring minimalist style into your home.